will praise you, O Lord, for you have rescued me. I will praise you, O Lord, for you have rescued me. I will extol you, O Lord, for you draw me clear and did not let my enemies rejoice over me. Oh Lord, you brought me out from the netherworld. You preserved me from among those going down into the pit. I will praise you, O Lord, for you have rescued me. Sing praise to the Lord, you his faithful ones, and give thanks to his holy name. For his anger lasts but a moment, a lifetime his goodwill. At nightfall weeping enters in, but with the dawn rejoicing. I will praise you, O Lord, for you have rescued me. Hear, O Lord, and have pity on me. O Lord, be my helper. You change my mourning into dancing. O Lord my God, forever will I give you thanks. I will praise you, O Lord, for you